Nuclear reactor is a machine that generates electricity on large scale by using atomic energy. In a nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reactions on the nuclear fuel. Most of the nuclear reactions work on the principle of nuclear reactions called controlled fission reactions. The fission of 1 kg of uranium 235, which is used as a nuclear fuel in nuclear reactor, produces energy which is equivalent to burning of 3 million tons of coal. You can imagine now how much coal can be saved if these thermal power plants are converted to nuclear reactors. Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of electricity in India after thermal, hydroelectric, and other renewable sources of energy. Let us see the working principle of nuclear reactor. In a nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reactions on the nuclear fuel. On bombardment with slow speed of neutrons, the nucleus of the isotope uranium-235 undergoes nuclear fission to form nuclei of two different elements, krypton-92 and barium-141, and 2 to 3 neutrons. On decreasing the speed of these neutrons, bring about fission of more uranium-235 nuclei. In this way, a chain reaction of nuclear fission takes place. A large amount of nuclear energy is released during a chain reaction of fission. The chain reaction is kept under control to prevent the probable explosion. So, this is the diagram in which nuclear fission is shown. Uranium 235 is used as a nuclear fuel. On bombardment of a slow speed neutron, the nucleus of isotope uranium 235 undergoes nuclear fission. Fission means splitting, and it forms two nuclei of two different elements, krypton 92 and barium 141, and 2 to 3 neutrons are released. By decreasing the speed of these neutrons, fission of more uranium 235 nuclei occurs, and this chain reaction continues. Only one neutron is allowed to cause the fission of uranium 235 nucleus instead of 3 nuclei. Otherwise, explosion may take place. Excess neutrons are absorbed by controller. To control the chain reaction in the nuclear reactor, it is necessary to decrease the speed and number of neutrons. Moderator. Graphite or heavy water is used as moderator for reducing the speed of neutrons. So, chain reactions are controlled by two different ways, by decreasing the speed of neutron and by decreasing the number of neutrons. So, moderators are used to decrease the speed of neutrons, and graphite and heavy water is used for this purpose. Controller. To reduce the number of neutrons by absorbing them, rods of boron, cadmium, beryllium are used as a controller. So, speed of neutrons is decreased by moderator, and number of neutrons are decreased by absorbing them through rods of boron, cadmium, and beryllium. So the chain reactions are controlled this way. The heat produced in the fission process is taken out by using water as coolant. Water is transformed into steam. By means of this steam, turbines are driven and electricity is generated. So, have you understood how nuclear reactor works? A machine that generates electricity on large scale by using atomic energy is called nuclear reactor. In a nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reactions on the nuclear fuel. Here uranium 235 is used as nuclear fuel. Uranium 235 is bombarded with slow speed neutron. It undergoes nuclear fission. Krypton 92 and barium 141 along with 2 to 3 neutrons are emitted on fission. These neutrons have high speed and their speed is reduced and they are used for bombarding more uranium 235 nuclei. The process is repeated many times. In this way, a chain reaction of nuclear fission takes place. A large amount of nuclear energy is released during a chain reaction of fission. The chain reaction is controlled to prevent the probable explosion. Neutrons are slowed down by using graphite or heavy water as moderator. The chain reaction is controlled by absorbing neutron with the help of rods of boron, cadmium and beryllium. The heat produced in the fission is taken out by water as coolant. Water is converted into steam. The available heat is used to drive turbines to produce electricity. So in this way electricity is generated by using nuclear fuel in nuclear reactor. Working principle of nuclear reactor. It is a process of splitting up of nucleus of fissionable material like uranium into two or more fragments with release of enormous amount of energy. The neutrons produced are very fast and can be made to fission other nuclei of uranium 235, thus setting up a chain reaction. So neutrons which are released during this process are again made to cause the fission of other nuclei of uranium 235 and the chain reaction goes on and on. This is the diagram which shows the setting up of nuclear reactor. The heat produced in the fission is taken out by water as coolant. Water is converted into steam and the available heat is used to drive turbines and the electricity is generated. A nuclear power plant works in a similar way as a thermal power plant. The difference between the two is in the fuel they use to heat the water in the boiler. So in thermal power plant, coal is used as a fuel, and in nuclear power plant, radioactive element like uranium, thorium, plutonium are used as a nuclear fuel. Inside a nuclear power station, energy is released by nuclear fission in the core of the reactor. Let us see pros and cons of nuclear energy. Means advantages and disadvantages of nuclear energy. Advantages are it produces lot of electricity. It is reliable source of energy. It is not dependent on weather. No carbon emission is there. And a little uranium is used and it runs for a long way. Disadvantages are the radioactive waste is very dangerous. Nuclear fission reaction produces a radioactive byproducts whose disposal is still a problem. Some of these isotopes are iodine, calcium, strontium, xenon, and barium. Right now, radioactive waste is dumped deep into the sea, which is again a disturbing factor for the environment of sea. Inhalation of uranium for long period of time causes lung cancer and several other health hazards. So we need to develop a method for safe disposal of radioactive waste. Then only in true sense nuclear energy will become a safe option. It is very expensive to build a nuclear reactor. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear energy. In India, total 22 nuclear reactors in 8 places are functioning. Apsara at Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai is the first nuclear reactor in India which went critical on 4th August 1956. India has large reserves of element thorium 232. Therefore, Indian scientists have developed a future plan for nuclear reactors based on production of the isotope uranium 233 from thorium 232. So, if we take sufficient care for safe disposal of radioactive waste, then only in true sense nuclear energy will become a safe option. Thank you.